Google just dropped Gemini 3 Pro, and most people are using it completely wrong. They're treating it like ChatGPT. Big mistake. This thing thinks differently, works differently, and gets you better results. I'm going to show you exactly how to use it the right way. Today, we're talking about Gemini 3 Pro. This is Google's thinking model, and it's built for one thing: solving real business problems. Not writing poems, not casual chat, real strategy work. I'm going to walk you through the exact system I use, step by step, no fluff. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use Gemini 3 Pro better than 99% of people. Let's go. First thing, you need to make sure you're actually using Gemini 3 Pro. Go to gemini.google.com, look at the top of the screen. You'll see a model selector, click it, choose the thinking model. That's Gemini 3 Pro. Why does this matter? Because the default model is built for speed, fast answers, quick responses, but Gemini 3 Pro is built for deep thinking. It reasons through problems, it plans, it synthesizes information. If you skip this step, you're using the wrong tool for the job. Here's where most people fail. They ask vague questions like, help me with marketing. That's useless. Gemini doesn't know what to optimize for. You need a concrete outcome. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say I want to grow the AI profit boardroom. My goal is clear: get 200 qualified leads in the next 60 days. People who actually want to learn AI automation for their business. That's specific, that's measurable. That's what Gemini can work with. So instead of saying, help me grow my community, I say, create a lead generation strategy to get 200 sales qualified leads for the AI profit boardroom in 60 days. See the difference? One is vague, the other is a mission. Now here's where Gemini 3 Pro gets powerful. It has a feature called deep research. This is not normal search. This is AI that browses the web, compares sources, and builds reports for you. Here's how you use it. Start a new chat, click on tools, select deep research. Now give it a research task. For example, I might say, analyze the most effective lead generation strategies for online communities in the last 60 days. Focus on cost per lead, conversion rates, and channel performance by scheme. Before it starts, Gemini shows you what it's going to do, the keywords it'll search, the sites it'll check, the data it'll pull. You can review it, then click Start Research. And here's the crazy part. It doesn't just give you one answer. It goes deep. It finds recent case studies. It compares different approaches. It gives you citations. This replaces hours of Google searches and note-taking. Here's a trick most people don't know about. You can use Gemini to analyze your competitors. Let's say someone in your industry has a video that's crushing it or a webinar that converts like crazy. Paste the link into Gemini, then ask it to break down why it works. For example, I might paste a competitor's YouTube video about AI tools. Then I ask, analyze this video. What's the hook? What objections does it handle? Where does retention spike? What's the call to action structure? Gemini pulls the transcript. It studies the pattern. It tells you exactly why it converts. This is gold. You're not guessing anymore. You're learning from what's already proven. And here's the best part. You can save all of this. Click the three-dot menu, export to Google Docs. It saves automatically to your drive. Now you have a research library you can reference anytime. Now we're going to level this up. Gemini can access your Google Workspace. That means your docs, your drive files, your actual business data. Here's how you turn it on. Go to settings, find connected apps, enable Google Workspace. Why does this matter? Because now Gemini isn't just working from the internet, it's working from your real information. Let me show you how powerful this is. Start a new chat, type a workspace. This tells Gemini to look at your files. Now you can ask things like, find my research report from earlier, or pull up last month's campaign data, or show me the sales objections document. Gemini searches your drive, it finds the files, it pulls the information. No more digging through folders, no more forgetting where you saved something. It's all instant. And here's where it gets really smart. You can combine your internal data with external research. Let me give you an example. I might ask, what content performed best for the AI profit boardroom last quarter? And how does that compare to current industry trends? Gemini looks at my files. It remembers the deep research it did earlier. It connects both. The answer isn't generic, it's specific to my business. Here's a mistake people make. They upload one file at a time. They drip feed information. That's slow. And it limits what Gemini can do. Instead, upload everything at once: your service descriptions, your pricing, your customer objections, your past campaign results, all of it. Why? Because Gemini 3 Pro can handle massive context. The more information it has, the smarter it gets. It starts seeing patterns. It connects dots you didn't see. For the AI Profit Boardroom, I might upload our course outline, testimonials, common questions people ask, and the types of businesses we help. Now, when I ask for a strategy, Gemini knows everything. Now we get to the strategy. Ask Gemini to create a plan. But don't just say, make me a marketing plan, be specific, tell it what you want, tell it what to avoid, give it constraints. For example, I might say, create a 60-day lead generation plan for the AI Profit Boardroom. Focus on YouTube, email, and community partnerships. Our audience is business owners who want to automate with AI. Don't suggest tactics we've already tried, like paid ads. Make it actionable and specific. The output you get is different. It's not generic advice. It's built around your data, your audience, your constraints. It's a real plan you can actually execute. And if something doesn't make sense, you can ask follow-up questions. Why did you suggest YouTube Shorts over long form? How would this work if we have a small team? Gemini explains its reasoning. Here's something most people don't know. Gemini 3 Pro can create images. You don't need a designer. You don't need Canva. Click on Tools, select Create Images. Now describe what you want. But here's the key. Reference the strategy you just built. For example, I might say, create a hero image for the AI Profit Boardroom landing page. Show someone using AI tools to grow their business. Make it clean, professional, and energetic. Include text that says, automate your business with AI. Gemini generates it, and because it knows the context from our conversation, the style matches, the message is on point, the visual supports the strategy. Now let me show you something that separates the pros from the beginners. It's called prompt chaining. This is where you take Gemini's output and use it as input for the next task. Most people stop after one answer, but the real power is in the sequence. Here's how this works in practice. Let's say Gemini just gave me that 60-day lead generation plan. I don't just take it and leave. I go deeper. I might say take week 1 of this plan and break it down into daily tasks with time estimates. Then I take that output and say, now create email templates for each outreach task in week 1. Then I go further. Create a tracking spreadsheet to measure results for these tactics. See what's happening? Each answer builds on the last. By the end, I don't just have a strategy, I have a complete execution system. And here's the beautiful part. You can template this entire workflow, save your prompts, save the sequence. Next time you need to build a campaign or solve a similar problem, you're not starting from scratch. You're running a proven system through Gemini. That's how you go from spending hours on strategy to getting it done in 20 minutes. One more advanced technique before we wrap up. You can use Gemini to audit and improve your existing content. Let's say you have a sales page that's not converting, or an email sequence that's getting low open rates. Don't guess what's wrong. Let Gemini diagnose it. Upload the page or paste the email sequence, then ask, analyze this sales page for the AI Profit Boardroom. What friction points might stop someone from buying? What objections aren't being addressed? Where does the copy lose momentum? Gemini reads it like a conversion expert. It spots the gaps. It tells you exactly what to fix. And because it has all your context from earlier in the conversation, it suggests improvements that actually fit your business. This is the difference between using AI as a toy versus using it as a business tool. A toy gives you random answers. A tool gives you systematic results. Gemini 3 Pro is a tool, but only if you use it like one. Here's the big thing. Don't treat Gemini like a chatbot. Treat it like a project engine. Give it everything up front, your goals, your data, your constraints, your past results. Let it see the full picture. Most people ask one question, get one answer, then ask another question. That's inefficient. Instead, load the context, upload your files, connect your workspace, then ask the big questions. Let Gemini work across all of it at once.